Hello and welcome to our Daily English. Today we bring you another helpful everyday conversation called Asking a Local Shoemaker About Repairing Leather Shoes. If you're learning English and want to understand natural, real-life dialogues, this lesson will help you build confidence while listening to a calm and simple story. In this episode, you'll hear useful phrases, repair-related vocabulary, and polite expressions, all in a friendly and easy-to-follow conversation. Remember to watch the full lesson on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to support our daily English videos. Now, let's join Imran and Ahmed in the small shoemaker's workshop. Scene: outside the shoemaker's shop, morning.
I hope he can fix my shoes. The soles are worn, and there's a scratch on the leather. I really don't want to ruin them. These are my favorite pair.
Scene: inside the shop, greeting and first assessment.
Good morning. Welcome to Ahmed's Shoemaking. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have a pair of leather shoes that need some repairs. I'm not sure if it's possible.
Don't worry, let me take a look. I see, the soles are worn out, and there's a scratch here on the side. The leather is still good, though.
So, can they be repaired?
Yes, definitely. I can replace the soles, polish the leather, and even fix this scratch.
That's great. I was worried I might have to throw them away.
Scene: discussing repair options.
There are a few options. For the soles, we can use standard rubber, which is durable and affordable, or premium leather soles, which feel more elegant but cost more.
I like comfort more than style. I think rubber soles are fine.
Good choice. For the scratch, I can either polish it lightly, which will reduce visibility, or recolor the leather for a perfect finish.
What's the difference between cost and durability?
Polishing is cheaper and works well for small scratches. Recoloring is more expensive but gives a flawless look and lasts longer.
I think polishing will be fine. I just want it to look decent.
Great. Anything else?
The laces are a bit worn out. Can you replace them too?
Of course. I have matching laces here.
Scene: explaining the repair process.
So, here's what I'll do. Remove the old soles carefully. Attach the new rubber soles securely. Clean and polish the leather. Reduce the scratch with polish. Replace the laces.
That sounds very thorough. How long will it take?
Around 3 hours. You can either wait here or come back later.
Can I watch you work? I'd love to see how the shoes are repaired.
Sure, it's fun to watch.
Scene: observing the repair process.
Imrao, the soles look brand new already. How do you make sure they stick properly?
I use strong adhesive and press them firmly for a few minutes. It ensures durability.
And the polishing?
First, I clean the leather, then apply polish in small circles. This nourishes the leather and gives it shine.
That's incredible. My shoes are going to look new.
For scratches, I lightly rub polish with a soft cloth. See, it blends with the surrounding leather.
Wow, I can hardly see it now.
There we go. Now just the laces.
They look so fresh. I can't believe they are wearing the same shoes.
All done. Your shoes are ready.
Thank you so much, Ahmed. They look amazing. How much do I owe you?
For soles, polish, scratch, and laces, it's $35.
That's reasonable. Thank you for explaining everything and for doing such a great job.
You're welcome.